My daughter's here with me, and she's gonna help me with the Mavic Mini Creative Kit. So I haven't even opened yet. So Evan, that is it right there. You get that out while I get the Mavic Mini out of its little case. And then she is definitely the most artistic in the family. So we're gonna see if we can make this Mavic Mini look super cool. So when I got the Mavic Mini, I also got this little creative kit pack. And this creative kit allows you to customize your Mavic Mini with custom skin. Okay, in here is the actual skins. And it looks like these are pre-painted skins. There's some instructions, and then there's also some markers. And so we're gonna go ahead and open up the instructions. Oh, it's
wipes.
Oh, it's so you can wipe the Mavic Mini so that the stickers will stick better. And it looks like it comes with 3 blank stickers that you can do whatever you want to. And it looks like they're already shaped for your Mavic Mini, which is cool. Plus it comes with 1, 2, 3. 1 that's already completely colored for you, and 2 that has a kind of...
I think I'm going to do this.
It says Mavic Mini. I didn't even notice that. So my daughter's going to color this one for me. And then we're going to do a freeform one, and then we're going to let you vote to decide which one actually goes on the Mavic Mini. Okay, so that's the creative process. We get a dog, we get some colors, and we make some cool labels. One of these is going to end up on our Mavic Mini. It's either going to be the stock one, Evan's, or mine. You vote in the comments below and let us know which one should end up on the Mavic Mini, and we'll put it on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on...
Ready, set.
That's it.